my name? Oh, you do the entrance distance instead of the other time.
It doesn't really matter. So hey guys, sup? Dude here, and I'm here with Dynamic Jordan. We're doing Minecraft PA Survival 2 and
Survival episode 2.
yeah, Survival Episode 2.
And this is our comfort bed.
Yeah.
If I could only lay down in it, so I can get.
And you
Whoops.
guys probably remember that we've been mining, and yes, we've been mining for like 30 minutes. And I got like 23 iron ore and 31 coal. And if you guys don't believe us, I'm gonna show you that this game never ends.
Yeah.
So
We actually got stuck on it, then I kind of found a way back up.
Yeah, so then we're just building a shelter here because we don't want to die. So there's more up there.
Do you? I'm gonna cook some iron up
So
actually.
there's more up there and there's some more down there. And it's a lot much more bigger than you guys actually think because it's actually really big. Like, I don't want to go upstairs because I'm just scared that I might die because of creepers and stuff like that.
Do you have some coal with you?
Yeah, I have tons. I'm going to start cooking the iron.
Okay, I'll put 15 in there. Can you put more here? I put 15 in each.
15?
Put 2 coal in each.
And
two there.
Ready.
There. Okay. Good.
Great. So
I'll grab iron pickaxe. Okay.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah, we have a gold here.
Yeah, I know. That's why.
It's not really that useful since we can't get any gold apple yet, and gold it's sort of fragile, you know.
Yeah, but I kind of think I wanna go make the golden block. You know what I mean? And I got some tons of wood for us. I kind of went.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna put the.
I'm just gonna stay with stone sword. Stone sword is pretty strong.
Awesome.
You got a chest?
Yeah. Put our junk.
But you don't know we're not gonna
What's
stay.
What's this?
It's a black wall, right?
I think. Yeah, it's a black wall. I'll just put a bunch of things there. I don't want to lose. Oh, we also found some pumpkins.
Oh yeah.
Pumpkins. And we grabbed some sand in case we're in a sand biome actually. This, what do you call this? This cave.
Yeah,
I'm just putting tons of things in there. And also guys, I'm not sure if this is a glitch. I died because I didn't know what was attacking me, but it was a zombie maybe or something because when it actually killed me. Then good thing my spawn is in here because we put a bed. It killed me because I couldn't see it. That's the weird part right there. I was like, what's killing me? Then I just noticed I just died. I was no, I'm not gonna be. Good thing I put a spawn here. Then I was like,
we're gonna dump. Oh shit. Like, can we just test something on you?
No. That's our check.
I have 25 extra. Oh, yo, there's a lot of gold.
Yeah, move.
Well, I'm trying to.
Right here, there's like a space right there.
Here's the gold ore if you want it. I don't want it. It's kind of fragile, you know.
You already told me that, but remember one of our goal is to get to the Nether.
Yeah, but then.
Oh, that's a lot. How do I have all the gold?
There's some more gold like right behind you.
Oh my God, that's 10 gold.
Seriously?
10 gold.
Oh yeah, by the way, that's not all of it. We've been mining also, so that was not all 10 gold.
No.
That was all of those were 10 gold.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. But didn't we pass by like some
No,
other gold?
no, unless you did because I haven't.
I know passed by some gold here earlier.
Really? And you never got it?
Yeah, I never grabbed it because I never thought about the Nether. I forgot about it.
Okay. So I'll put the gold there.
Oh, is the iron finished? It is.
They're all finished. I'll just make some chests. We need more coal in this one. There's 6 in there. Don't put sticks.
I don't need the sticks.
We might need it for pickaxe. Remember what happened? We got.
Oh my God! You just had to remind me about that.
Grab the sticks. We need the wood. I'll grab some coal. There should be some here. I found plenty of them.
Okay, just coal. Coal is not that hard to find anyway, so that's okay.
I don't even have any torch.
I.
I'm dying.
Again?
Yeah.
What's attacking you?
I don't know. They're invisible to me. Can you please put it in peaceful?
No, man.
Put it in peaceful. I'm gonna die.
Okay. God dang. Oh yeah, you can't see the mobs. Yeah, right, yeah. Oh, yeah, here.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Can I not put in pistol anymore?
No.
Why not?
Put in peaceful.
I did! Shut the hell up for God's sake.
You know why? You know why? Because if you didn't put in peaceful, they're still gonna spawn and kill me because I cannot see any mobs.
It's not
God,
my
man.
fault you have a bad eyesight. Your character is the worst.
I'm just gonna keep looking for gold because I can. Oh, water source.
Yeah, it's really big, guys.
What can you do with a lapis?
Oh, more
Oh,
iron.
redstone. Oh, cool. Nice. That's what. Oh, gold. Nice.
Oh,
Gold.
iron.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, redstone. Oh, gold. Yes.
Did you find gold too?
No, you.
No.
I was like.
You're such a bow. Like this,
Oh,
please.
redstone.
Guess I can. Grab the redstone. The heck?
I don't have an iron pick.
You don't?
Yeah.
You got some tons of iron and you don't have an iron pick.
I got lost. I don't know where's the house.
Try to look for it.
I'm a baby.
We should grab some water source so we could turn
Oh,
this to
gold.
obsidian.
Oh, yeah,
Grab.
no iron pickaxe.
Sword.
Right here. Just
Oh,
near
I
the
see.
base.
I see your name.
Just go in the base. Like, there's so many gold.
Oh my goodness.
Let me mine
Don't
it.
it
Let's check how many gold there are here. There's one.
I should actually do this.
I
Oh,
think
that's a
it's just
dip.
one.
That was dip.
Yeah, it's just one gold. Never mind.
How do you know?
I'm mining beside it.
Nice. I got 4 gold from that.
Oh, awesome. It's
I'm
just
just
another episode of mining.
we'll create a house next time after.
Yeah, next episode, guys, we promise you we're
I
gonna
left
make
all
a-
my building blocks in the base. Oh yeah, we need gold. I almost forgot about that.
Yo, there's so many
Go,
gold
go,
here.
go, go. Grab most of the gold.
Why do you have so many pickaxes?
Because I don't want to get lost and get trapped.
Yeah, but there's so many. Why couldn't you just, make one and then...
Make another?
Yeah, when it's broken.
Yeah, that's the thing. Don't want to waste time. Don't worry about it. It's not yours. Do I?
Oh, wait. Don't tell Preston it's in here. Preston it's in here. No, come on, you suck.
I suck.
I suck.
I suck.
You suck.
Everybody suck.
Alright. Yeah, let's check it.
It's a diamond. Why we all whispering?
Oh, I should have not done this. This is pretty stupid of me. But YOLO!
More.
Yeah! Full swag, son!
Did you
Fully
kill yourself?
iron!
Wow. Don't waste our iron.
Come on, man. It's iron. It's easy to find.
Yeah.
Especially with this cave.
I've been mining most of the time.
All you can have is one one pants.
Okay.
Son, I'm the one who keeps mining the iron anyway.
No, I found iron stock for me.
Okay.
I found what do you call this?
I'm full of swags.
I found what did I found? Did you make an iron pickaxe?
No.
Oh, damn shit. Can you give me all the rest of the iron that I found?
Oh yeah, here.
Make a iron pickaxe.
No, I'm okay with.
What if you find diamond? What you're gonna say? Oh, I don't have an iron pickaxe.
Sure.
Nope. Nope. Plus, I had 30 iron with me.
See?
Because I found all of them. I've been mining hardcore.
Yeah, same here.
Oh, more iron here.
I was like, cool. Iron.
I found.
Coal. I was like raging like shit if I don't find anything.
More coal.
There's no iron. Oh, that's some iron.
Okay. Make some pickaxe with it. Where's the base come?
Yeah, you can make a full set for you too,
Yeah, yeah. You only need like what? 24, 25? Guessing. Like 27. Where's base camp?
Yeah, I found some gold.
Where?
Oh, sadly I have no iron pickaxe.
Yeah, exactly. I wanna punch you right now in the face. Where are you?
Up here.
I'm stuck in a hole. Do you have any torch?
Yes.
So why won't you freaking place some torch? So
I am
dark.
placing torch. Like whenever
Oh,
I go. Like,
not that way. Where are you then?
I'm here somewhere.
Do you know where base camp is?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm lost. I'm loose. Pretty
Everybody
loose.
got loose.
Foot loose.
Kick off your Sunday day.
Wow.
I meant shoe.
Please, Louise.
I forgot what's the called.
Oh crap! Please.
I'm lost, man. Lost in the wild.
Oh.
Full of stone and monsters. Oh. Did you do this with the lava?
What lava?
And there's like so many stuff here.
Okay, I'm lost too. Where's base camp?
Awesome. Neat. Oh, great.
Oh, iron. I'd be like, oh, iron from the Family Guy, like
Oh,
the
piece of
candy.
candy.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
piece of
it's candy.
candy.
What's
Oh,
his name? James Wood.
Yeah, James Wood. That's an actual actor, I think.
I know James Blunt. Oh,
Not funny. You suck. Gotta say joke.
ouch.
Yeah. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Don't you have a full iron? How are you gonna die with a full iron with no mobs? Oh, I found a base camp.
Ooh, freaking gravel. Good,
I'll,
I just didn't give up. I was planning to.
I'm gonna literally just cry when you give up.
Cause I'm your hero.
No, because I'm gonna regret why I play with a noob.
Wow. Well, that is not true. I mean,
Oh, what? What?
oh, what?
That, did you see that, guys? That was a full stack of, that was exactly. How much do I have? I have another 20 iron for you, my bado. Don't put 2 in there, then
Oh no. Oh please no. Please.
2 in here.
God please. Yes.
Actually, I'll grab.
I don't know where's the base camp though. Oh, I can see your name tag. Awesome.
I'm in the base camp.
You're in the base camp?
Mm-hmm.
Oh great, great, great. Stay there, stay there.
Hey. Oh.
Found some redstone. I don't want the redstone. They're pretty useless right now.
We can make rails with them.
What?
We can make rails with them.
Oh, why would we want rails? I'm not gonna go mining all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome! You got full set too.
How did you know?
I'm right beside you.
Oh, and you make an iron.
Yeah. Piss. Piss. Never mind.
There's more.
Here, I'm gonna put some iron in here too. 11.
I made more pickaxe here. Keep my old pickaxe.
No, your old one. Oh, awesome! Great.
You can grab more iron there. I put more. I put more iron there so you can grab more.
I also put 11 of iron ore, I guess. Yeah, 11.
Put them in this one. There was like 3. Where did you put them?
In one of your whatever.
Furnace.
Yeah.
Did you and you didn't put coal?
I did. I put 2.
Oh yeah. Okay, where's the exit again? Oh yeah, right here. I think that's it.
Wait.
Do you wanna end the episode now and build a house?
No, not yet.
Not yet. And
Maybe
where's
I
the
got
gold? Where's the gold?
I got it.
We only got 14. You
We
left
have
an
15 now.
15? You only got 1?
Yeah.
Let's look for a few more golden. We need some diamonds too.
Oh, dude, you found so much redstone.
Yeah, I know. I didn't even notice. More iron here.
Yo, let's sleep.
Is it nighttime?
Yes, sir.
I'm far, far away.
I can see a name tag, and I can see it. It's right there.
Okay. You know what? If
What are
we
you
have
doing?
nothing, I'm trying to get up. If we have XP.
Why are you trying to get out? Our beds and our stuff are still in here.
I said nothing. I'm trying to get out of us. I was stuck.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. What the? Is this our base camp right here?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Finish. Ouch. Boom.
Oh, awesome, you're here.
Yeah. I become an invisible man and things happen. Let's leave now. Sleep and let's leave. Or should we try to look for diamonds?
No, let's leave now and then let's get up And then let's end that. So
Mhm.
then let's just wait for all these irons.
Mhm. I got 14 here. I'll grab.
We got so much iron, man. We're so
Should we
stuck.
grab the furnace too?
Oh yeah. So then we don't have to,
Okay.
get more and more and more.
Then there.
Oh, I already got it. Too late. It's no
Can you
serious.
give me all the iron so it'll be much easier?
Yeah, sure.
I'll also cook this for more iron.
Do you have the did you cook the batter?
No, do you want me to?
No, the
I'll cook it now.
the where is it?
Right there, it's cooking it. I'll take it. Mm, what do we need the most? I'll grab all our wood.
Yo, get the thing.
That one.
The irons. Yo, get the iron from this furnace.
Okay.
Go get it.
They're not. There's still more.
You're stuck cooking again?
Yeah.
There's only one. Just get it now.
There's one more there. Do you have more iron with you?
No, I put them in a furnace.
Mm.
Right here. Just wait for them.
Yeah. I'm just
The
grabbing
other
all.
one is, the other one is finished.
Just grabbing all the stuff we need.
And then we're gonna leave this chest.
Sure.
Leave the.
I think we shouldn't because it might give you a tons of.
Besides, what are we gonna do with them? Just leave them. The pointless stuff.
Okay.
But I'm gonna get. What? I have to. Oh, what? I'm gonna the axe though. I'm not the axe. I'm getting the axe. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. What happened to your face?
I'll make an iron axe or the helmet. This is my weapon.
No way, really? It's so cool.
Grab your bed.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Who'll grab the furnace?
Huh?
Who'll grab the furnace? Do you have coal with you?
Yeah.
Give me all the coal.
Okay, just wait and get it for you.
Okay, you grab the furnace, I'll grab the coal. Grab your bed too.
Yeah, we're good.
I'll grab the crafting table. Why not, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you grabbed it. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
Give me the coal or you'll keep the coal.
I can keep the coal. I have a full
Here.
space.
Okay.
Okay, I got my bed. You wanna leave now? Man, I'll miss this place.
We can come back. We're gonna live nearby it, right?
No.
I thought you found a plot.
Oh yeah, right, yeah. I'll miss this place.
Okay.
No, I won't. So where are you?
I'm right here. I'm
Which
just.
way?
Wait. Let me think. Where what's? Oh, I have no more coal. I mean, this way.
That way, are you sure?
Oh
no, lag. Almost felt like a lava or something. I don't know.
Right here. Should be a way. Waking up them. Can you parkour?
Yeah, do you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, wait.
No, it's not this. It's up there.
Wait for me. I don't know which way. Where are you, boy? Oh, there you go. Yo, I fell. I don't know where the hell am I.
You're still right there.
Can you help me?
You don't have a pickaxe? An axe? A pickaxe? What are you doing? You're just stuck in a hole.
Yeah, I'm trying to build up. Dang it.
There.
Oh, awesome.
Goodness gracious.
Oh, man. Awesome.
Just parkour. You see the stairways that I built?
Yep.
Then right here.
Okay,
Here.
good. Where are you?
Right
Oh,
here.
okay, I can see.
Jesus.
Okay, I remember this. I remember the water.
Just follow the torch, I guess.
I am.
No, not that way.
You son of a...
That way, right there, remember.
I'm just gonna follow you, not the torches.
Oh, shoot.
I
don't know where I am. Down? No, I don't know where I am. Oh, there you are. Oh. You look like sideways to me like this. Oh, I'm gonna go up, okay?
It's like ripple here.
Oh, where am I? Dude, I don't have any torches. I'm gonna die here.
Oh, okay, great.
I can't see anything.
Awesome.
Can you help?
No.
Okay, I see. I think I see where I am.
I'll grab and get it.
No, I see myself. Not
Are you
where
sure?
I am. I think it's so
Oh,
dark.
the water. Just follow the water.
Where am I now?
You big noob. You're right here.
Oh my. Yeah, I don't know where the water is. I see.
Can you see me? I'm right. No, look right here.
Oh. Oh. It was so dark. Don't judge.
I'm not judging, for God's sake.
Ah!
Oh my.
Where am I now?
Holy. Yo, come on, get up here.
I'm not leading the way anymore.
Try to use your eyes sometimes.
Oh, this was my stairs.
Yeah, that's why you were here.
Okay, then we climb up the water source. Don't fall.
I know.
Not getting you. Hmm.
Okay.
You here?
Yeah. I have no blocks, by the way.
Mm,
Oh, we just go down that way.
no.
My God.
Oh, right here. I remember this now. Okay, right here. We're in the top. You know what we could have done? We could have just dig up. Oh wait, this is sand biome, so that's bad.
Oh yeah, right.
Are you here now?
Near. Okay, we're here. You actually broke one of the cactus, and this all what happened. So yeah, we're gonna be here, and then this is where we're
Wait,
gonna be.
let's show them where we're gonna build the
I know.
house.
That's
Oh,
where.
you're right there. I'm back.
Don't copy someone else's line, you jerk.
No, I feel bad. I'm a droid.
Yeah, you're a
Beep
droid.
bop.
Not smart enough for a droid, cause Apple's best.
Yeah, but I
Apple,
actually
you're gonna pay me and then advertisement, for God's sake.
no.
Okay,
I use
here.
this axe just to cut wood. I'm just joking, guys. It just like Jerome, and not that way, but the other way.
You're like Jeff.
Is this the flat land that you're talking about?
Yeah, there's a lot.
Okay,
Right
then
here.
we
See,
have
we're gonna build our house
we
here.
have a cave there.
Yep.
We have tons of pig here. Let's sleep now. Then
Oh, there's going to be.
this it was a very long episode for you guys. So.
You wanna sleep now?
Hmm. Okay, we're just gonna wait. Let's say bye now in the night. See you guys, and I hope you had fun. Stretching. We did tons of that. We got tons of bunch of iron. We have 40 extra. I have an axe.
30 extra iron.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And
Just
we got 15. We're gonna
and
sleep in.
watch the flowers grow with the sunlight. I don't know what I'm talking about, guys.
So we had fun, guys. Please subscribe to our.
Please leave a like and subscribe for more video, guys. And if you guys want to check out
What are you looking at?
You're mean.
Is the axe strong as a stone sword? I think it is. Attack me.
What?
Stone sword.
Wow.
Wanna
Okay,
kill
guys.
each other?
Nah. Dude, I don't want that. I don't
I
want to
have
give
a
my
axe.
armor damage. For God's sake.
Oh yeah. Give me a damage. I mean like a sword? No, a sword. That's a 1 heart damage. A sword is a 1 heart damage. How about this?
1 heart.
How about the axe?
That was the dogs.
How about this?
Half a heart. Okay, 1 heart.
That was the same thing, I guess. Depend one.
Do you want to end the episode? For God's sake, do you want to end the episode?
Yes, here guys.
So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. And if you guys want to check out the rest of our channel,
Oh, they cut it.